Marantec Comfort Garage Door Opener Display Error 15. Error 15 is Photocell issue. What does Error 15 mean? The opener cannot operate because the safety Photocell is not working properly or is not connected. Causes of Error 15. 1. Photocell triggered or defective. Something is blocking the photocell beam or the photocell is faulty. Solution. Remove any obstacle in the path of the photocell beam. Have the photocell checked for proper alignment and function. 2. Photocell programmed but not connected. The photocell is programmed in the system but not connected or powered. Solution. Deactivate the photocell function in the settings if not in use, or connect the photocell properly and make sure it is powered. Quick check steps. 1. Check the photocell beam for any blockage. 2. Clean the lenses and realign if necessary. 3. Check the wiring and connections of the photocell. 4. Test the door operation after fixing the issue. Important: the photocell is a safety device. Do not disable it permanently.